PN junction diode, characteristics reverse bias. So the reverse bias is very simple. Instead of the milliammeter, we have to use the micrometer. Then the positive and negative will be changed. So forward bias means the positive of the battery is connected to P type and the negative of the battery is connected to N type. Reverse bias means positive of the battery is connected to N type and the negative of the battery is connected to P type. So as usual, the same circuit, what you are doing. So in our apparatus, the forward bias, what you are given here. So your entire thing will be transferred to this one. And this what are the connections are given here, that will be transferred to, because we are already given the diode as a reverse bias. So very simple experiment, previous one. So I will show the circuit. So what is the circuit? Positive of the battery to microammeter positive and microammeter to N type, then P type to battery negative. So what I will do that, so when I switch on that, I will transfer this to microammeter. So I will switch off this one for explaining the circuit diagram. So don't want to waste the electrical energy. So this is the voltage. So the voltage positive is connected to microammeter. This is the microammeter because this knob is turning this side. So if you turn this side, what will happen? This is the milliammeter. For the reverse bias, we have to turn this switch to right side, that is a microammeter. So positive of the battery is connected to microammeter positive and microammeter negative is connected to diode N type and the diode positive is connected to battery. So that is the things shown here. So positive to micrometer positive to N type and P type to battery negative. Now the diode and the voltmeter are connected parallel. So the N type of the diode is connected to positive. So positive terminal of the battery is connected to positive of the ammeter and positive of the voltmeter. Negative of the battery is connected to negative of the this one and negative. So you have to see this order clearly for while connecting the circuit. So very simple, students. So if you directly connect N type and P type like this. So this is N type of the diode is connected to positive of the voltmeter and P of the diode is connected to negative of the voltmeter. So when I switch on, what will happen? So very simple. Now you are going to adjust the voltmeter reading and note down the microammeter reading. So I will adjust this knob. So you see this, you note down this voltmeter as well as the micrometer reading. So I will adjust the voltmeter to. So in previous case, we are seeing that it is a 0.1, 0.2. So here it is directly you have to give 1 voltage. For 1 voltage, the answer is 10.4. So if the voltage is 1, the answer is 10.4. Then for 2 voltage, so note down this reading, 2 voltage, 1.5, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. Yes, exactly 2. 2 is 21.3. So 2 voltage means 21.3. Then for 3 voltage, the voltage, the voltage is 3 means 31.6. 4, 5, 6, 7 we have to take that. So for 4 voltage, so see this one because this is the voltmeter. So voltmeter reading only changes to 3 to 4. So exactly 4 it is 41.5. So 41.5. Then 5 voltage, (52.2). So 5 voltage 52.2. Then 6 voltage, (62.7). Then 7 voltage, that is no need, up to 6 is enough. If you want, you can do it for up to 7, don't do for 7. So 73.0. So directly you come to 0 immediately. So 7 is the maximum value, 70.3. Okay, so that is the reading. So very simple circuit, everything is connected in the apparatus. Just to connect the wires and see the circuit, adjust the voltage. So initially forward bias means positive of the battery is connected to positive P type and negative of the battery is connected to N type. Reverse bias means positive of the battery is connected to N type and negative of the battery is connected to P type. That's why the positive positive, negative negative means forward bias. Positive negative and negative positive means reverse bias. Okay, so forward bias positive to positive, negative to negative. Reverse bias positive to negative, then negative to positive. That's all. So I hope this is a very clear. Again, if you draw the graph for this one, voltage and microammeter, we get the graph like this. You need to draw the graph in our record note also for exam point of view also. So it is a very easiest question. This reverse bias is because of the reverse current. This reverse bias is because of the reverse current. Reverse current is because of the minority carriers of P type and N type.